Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our next exercise, that is exercise 9.3. This 9.3 exercise will be divided into three parts. So today is the first part. That means today we are going to discuss the first four sums of this exercise. So this is the first sum. In this first sum, it is said E is a point on the median AD of triangle ABC. Show that area ABE is equals to area ACE. Now, this is the answer. Here it says that AD is the median. Therefore, whenever there is a median present, this median divides the triangle into two equal areas. So here AD is the median, so it will divide the triangle ABD ABC into two equal areas, that is area ABD is equals to area ACD. This is our first equation. Now ED is a part of AD. Since AD is a median, ED is also a median. So ED is a median of the triangle BEC. Here, since ED is the median, it will divide the triangle BEC into two equal areas. So area EBD is equals to area ECD. This is our equation 2. Now we will subtract this shaded portion from 1, that is from ABD we are going to subtract EBD, and from ACD we are going to subtract ECD. So we are writing, on subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we obtain area ABD minus area EBD is equals to area ACD minus area ECD, which will be left with this part and this part, that is area ABE is equals to area ACE. Hence our sum is proved. This is what was required to prove, so it is proved. Now this is the second sum. Here it says in the triangle ABC, E is the median of AD. Show that BED is equals to 1/4 of ABC. So this BED we have to show that it is 1/4 of the full triangle ABC. So here is the solution. It is written that AD is the median of the triangle ABC. Therefore, AD will divide the triangle in equal areas. So we will get area of ABD is equals to area of ACD. That means area of ABD is nothing but half of area of ABC. So this becomes our first equation. Now E is the midpoint given. Therefore BE becomes the median. Since E is the midpoint, BE becomes the median of the triangle ABD. Now whenever BE is the median, it will divide the triangle ABD into equal areas. Therefore area BED is equals to area ABE, which means area BED is half of area ABD. Now in place of ABD we are going to place half of area ABC. So half into half of area area of the triangle ABC is equals to half into half is 1/4. So we have got 1/4 area of the triangle ABC. Hence it is proved that BED is 1/4 of the triangle. Area BED is 1/4 of the triangle of area ABC. Now our third example. It says, show that the diagonals of a parallelogram divide it into a 4 equal areas. So we have a parallelogram, and in this parallelogram the diagonals divide the triangle the quadrilateral into four triangles. So 1 2 3 4 triangles we are getting. It is we have to find these four triangles are equal in areas. So here is the sum. ABCD is a parallelogram where AC and BD are the diagonals which bisect each other. Therefore, O becomes the midpoint of AC and BD since they bisect each other. Since AO is equals to OC and OD is equals to OB. So first we are considering the triangle ABC. Here OB is the median. Since AO is equals to OC, so OB becomes the median. Therefore we will get area AOB is equals to area BOC. So this triangle 1 and this triangle 2 are equal now. Now we come to the line that OB is equals to OD. So OC becomes the median. When OC becomes the median, triangle 2 and triangle 3 are again equal. So area BOC is equals to area COD. Similarly, we will get AO is equals to OC. So OD is the median. When OD is the median, triangle 3 and triangle 4 are again equal. So we will get similarly with the same argument, we will get area COD is equals to area AOD. So from equation 1, 2 and 3 together we can write all the areas of the triangle, small triangles are equal. Therefore it is evident that the diagonal of a parallelogram divided into 4 triangles of equal areas. And today's last sum is question number 4. Here it says the triangle ABC and triangle ABD are two triangles on the same base AB. So with the diagram we can see AB is the same base. If the line segment CD is bisected by AB, so CD is being divided by AB into equal halves at O. Show that ABC is equals to ABD. So we have to show that the area of ABC is equals to area of ABD. So this is our sum. Here it says consider ACD. So we have ACD as the triangle that we are considering. Here we can see OC is equals to OD. Since OC is equals to OD, we can say AO is the median. So AO becomes the median of triangle ACD. Whenever we have a median, it divides the triangle into equal areas. So area of AOC is equals to area of ADO. Similarly, we can say when we are considering the triangle BDC, we are again taking OC is equals to OD, but here BO is the median. So since BO is the median of the triangle BDC, we will get area BOC is equals to area BOD. Now we are adding equation 1 and equation 2. The left should be added to the left and the right should be added to the right. So area of AOC plus area of BOC, together we will get area of AOD. So 1 plus 2 equals to, sorry, if this is 1, this is 2, and this becomes 3, this becomes 4. So 1 plus 3 is equals to 2 plus 4. So area AOB plus BOC is equals to area AOD plus BDO. Together we will get triangle ABC is equals to triangle ABD. So the areas of these two triangles become equal. So today we have discussed the 4 sums of the exercise 9.3. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you.